से हिंदी में हिंदी में हो जाएंगे.
How does it feel to be part of MasterChef and winning? I mean, not winning, but being a runner-up as such.
Being on MasterChef has been the greatest experience I've ever had in life. It's been amazing. I have learned a lot over here. I've learned new skills. I've grown as a person. I think I'm going as a very, very enriched person out of here. And I'm looking for what I'm going to do next. I'm just going to see what I want to do. I have a lot of plans, a lot of dreams. I'm sure कि इतना दूर तक आई हूँ मास्टर शेफ में and यहाँ से जो मेरा सफ़र है नया एक सफ़र है जो चालू हुआ है. So I'm just hoping for good things to just fall in place for me.
But what really made you to part of the show? What was the reason for being the show as such? What was so inspiring about the show?
Like I've always said, I've always dreamt of being on MasterChef. It's my third attempt in MasterChef. I came in season 2, I got eliminated. And then I came in season 3 again. I did not even get selected. I don't think I let anything break down my spirit. And when I came back in season 4, I came back as a very, very strong, cook. I think here I've learned so much. Every day, looking at the judges, my co-contestants, everything was so inspiring. Everything around me just inspired me a lot. I watched season 1 and I watched Pankaj Baduria win MasterChef. I dreamt of being like her one day.
Akshay Kumar has been part of the show as such. Missing Akshay, the TRPs have not going so up as such. Is this something?
I don't think it really matters because Akshay Kumar was a host. Ultimately, it's a food show. It boils down to do we have good cooks here? And I'm proud to say that I've followed all the seasons, season 1, season 2, season 3 and season 4. And I can say that MasterChef season 4 had the best mix of 12 contestants.
How does it feel to be the runner-up at a show?
Sorry?
How does it feel to be the runner-up in the show? It's not easy to participate in the show, and even being a runner-up is something, an achievement in its own kind.
Definitely, what I have become here after coming in the show is incredible. The kind of learning I've had. So there are no regrets that I'm a runner-up and not the winner. Because for me, in my own eyes, I'm a winner for myself and for my family and friends and for all the people who've supported me. And I don't think so. Being a runner-up is going to hold me back to do whatever I want to. All my dreams, I'm going to still go ahead and pursue them and see them in real. So I'm really happy that I could make it to top 3 and experience the entire journey of MasterChef. It's a journey of a lifetime. I will never ever forget it.
What recipe have you made in the final round of the?
I had made a recipe called Ulta Pulta pizza. It was a twist to how people are used to eating pizza as a savory dish, and I converted it into a dessert. And that's what the entire idea was. And I basically made a cheesecake out of basil, used vegetables. So it was a dessert based out of vegetables, which is very, very unique. And I was very happy with the dish.
Indian, international, which celebrity do you adore as a chef? Sanjeev Kapoor is there, Vikas Khanna is there. There are many international chefs as well.
I think every chef has his own unique style, and I appreciate and I learn from all of them. If we start from Chef Sanjeev Kapoor, I've grown up looking at him, his recipe books, his Khana Khazana. I used to never miss a Sunday, where Khana Khazana is coming. I used to make notes of what he used to teach. So my basics are strong because of him and my mum both. Going forward, obviously, Chef Vikas, Chef Ranveer, they are like youth icons, and the kind of inspiration they give to all of us, it's something which is very rare. And to be able to teach as well as groom us here in MasterChef, I think they've done a fantastic job, and I'm so blessed to have them as judges.
Thank you, and best wishes for the future.
English ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा, mix.
You know, how does it feel? One of the most celebrated chef in the world, not in entire world, people announce you as a master chef. कितनी खुशी मिल रही है आपको इस बारे में?
संजीव कपूर तीनों जजेस मेरे फेवरेट है और संजीव कपूर से जब भी मेरे पास आते तो आई फील लाइक ही इज लाइक अ फादर and I've always felt that connection with him and he announced me as a winner today. I don't think there's anything bigger than that.
But what really inspired to be part of the show? इनमें inspiring क्या था इस show के बारे में?
I was always passionate about cooking. Cooking तो बहुत साल से मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता था और I always wanted to go to hotel management school, culinary school, do it on a professional level, but I was never able to. Circumstances just didn't let me. जब भी मैं plan करती कि I'm going to apply to culinary school, I'm going to start a culinary school course, तो कुछ ना कुछ आ जाता कि that plan would not work out. तो I was always getting discouraged कि ये जो मुझे करना है culinary की इंडस्ट्री में तो वो क्यों नहीं हो रहा. मैं बहुत सारे रेस्टोरेंट्स में न्यूयॉर्क में मैंने बहुत सारी जॉब्स के लिए अप्लाई किया but things were never working out. I never got a job. So I definitely was very upset always and I always used to ask myself why is this not happening. Well, today I know why nothing ever worked out because Master Chef मेरे नसीब में था.
But what was the special dish you made on the final round?
फाइनल राउंड में हमें एक डिश बनानी थी जो हमारी फ्यूचर रेस्टोरेंट की सिग्नेचर डिश होने वाली है. तो मेरा जो रेस्टोरेंट का नाम था डिटूर, दैट वाज द समरी ऑफ माय लाइफ. आई बेसिकली डिटूर्ड फ्रॉम ऑल कंट्रीज एंड केम बैक टू इंडिया. तो द डिशेज सर्व्ड इन द रेस्टोरेंट आल्सो हैज अ डिटूर एंड the dish I made was eggplant parmesan जो एक Italian dish है traditional. तो उसको मैंने एक Indian flavor में एक Indian रूप में मैंने उसको सर्व किया. तो that was my final dish.
Whom do you idolize as a chef in India or entire world? किसको idolize करते हैं आप chef के तौर पे?
मुझे पहले से नाइजेला लार्सन बहुत पसंद है. उसका जो शो होता है उसकी जो बोलने की स्टाइल होती है I'm very inspired by her. But of course not Indian. और इंडियन में देखा जाए तो ऑफकोर्स हमारे जो 3 जो जजेस हैं सबसे ज़्यादा इंस्पायरिंग वो ही रहे हैं ये पूरी जर्नी में.
और फ्यूचर प्लानिंग से आपके कुछ बता सकते हैं इस बारे में?
फ्यूचर प्लानिंग culinary स्कूल जाने का एक सपना था और ये चेक से मैं वो सपना ज़रूर पूरा करूँगी. यहाँ आके ये बहुत बड़ा एक मास्टर शेफ बनने का सपना तो पूरा हुआ लेकिन culinary स्कूल जाके वो डिटेल स्टडी करना वो अभी भी एक सपना रहा है. तो थैंक यू.
जल्दी पकड़ लो, लाइट जला लो.
हाँ लाइट जा रही है.
चलो
चलो विकास लाइट जा रही है.
Rolling?
हाँ चलो.
How was the journey of the master chef? I mean, do you think Nikita was the most deserving candidate for being master chef?
See, if she became a finalist and India has decided to vote for her, that means she was the most deserving, and we also believe that she was the most deserving. Nikita, though she's very young, but what she has shown us is immense talent and something which is an inspiration for lots of young people of this country. We are really, really proud of her.
Sir, you're not only a chef, you're an entrepreneur. You have channels, you have restaurants. Why don't you host a show like this in your channel as well?
No, we do. We do lots of shows in our channel. We did Maha channel. We did Maha challenge on food. We do contests. But the largeness of this show needs a very large channel. That's why this show is on Star Plus.
Do you want to clarify what was the real criteria for selecting Nikita as a finalist?
So what we like to see on this show consistently is there are 3 parameters. One is how the food looks and with that what's the thinking behind that dish, and third and most important, which is taste. So taste is paramount. So we judge, these are the 3 judging criteria. So all these 3 judging criteria, Nikita's dishes most of the time in this season were top rated.
How was your experience being a part of it?
The experience was great. It was a great experience because when you're doing something for 19-20 years, when you've been working with food for 19-20 years, then to be able to express yourself on such a large platform ought to be a great experience. And I got to learn a lot because this is a straight entry into India's home kitchen. And it's like India's home kitchen comes to you right there on MasterChef. cannot happen anywhere else. Amazing experience.
What a common comment from you, both of you. You know, Akshay was part of the show. She's a Bollywood superstar.
Sure.
You know, I mean, are you missing his presence?
See, someone like Akshay, I have a lot of respect for, such a disciplined man and such a big name in this country. I would say that he kick-started something like this. A show like this needs a big kick-start, and Akshay provided that. I'm very happy that he did that. He is a busy star, so if he has chosen his path, which is only films, and he's not in this, that's a choice that he has to make. We cannot say, but definitely anytime he is part of this, we would love it.
You know, I think as being a part of the food sphere, it's very important to respect anything and everything that expands this sphere. You know, खाने का ये जो सिलसिला है, इस सिलसिले को जो भी चीज़ बड़ा करती है उसको इज्जत देना बहुत ज़रूरी है और ये मानना पड़ेगा कि मास्टर शेफ के पहले सीजन ने उस फूड स्फीयर को, उस खाने के सिलसिले को बड़ा किया है. You know, so we have a lot of appreciation. All chefs in India, anybody who's related to food in India has that appreciation for him because he's made us look good. When you make food look good, you make everybody related to food look good. You know, so he's made us look good. There's a lot of appreciation for that. And he's also made us responsible to kind of take it forward and make it even better with every season.
Thank the best for you.